How to clear cache on your Lyft app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can clear your cache on your Lyft app. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So if you want to clear the cache on your Lyft app, what you do is head over to your settings. Open up your settings, and after you're on your settings, scroll down till you find General. Tap on General and then head over to your iPhone storage. After you head over to your iPhone storage, you will then need to search for your Lyft app. So search for your Lyft app and then head over it. Tap on it, and right here what you'll need to do is you'll need to offload the app. So tap on offload and offload the app. It can take some time, so wait for it. But after it offloads the app completely, you'll get the reinstall button right here. So let's revisit this. So wait for it till it shows you reinstall app like this and tap on reinstall app. After you tap on reinstall app, the reinstallation process should begin. And after the reinstallation process begins, after it completely reinstalls, your Lyft app will have cleared the cache. And that's basically how you do it, guys. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.